Hi guys! Today we're learning how to fix screen time not working on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. If screen time isn't working properly, the issue may be caused by outdated software. We'll first check if there's a software update available. Now, if you see a software update available notification, tap on it. If a new iOS version is available, download and install the update. Keeping your iPhone updated can fix many bugs, including screen time issues. If the problem still isn't fixed, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap and hold the power button, then slide to power off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds before turning your device back on. Once your iPhone restarts, open Settings and check if screen time is working again. In many cases, a simple restart after updating the software resolves the issue. Your screen time feature should now work normally. And that's how you can fix the screen time not working issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.